Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to animate the Harry Potter Marauders map banner. So let's start. Open Photoshop. This is the banner we are going to make. You can download banner images from Google. Double-click the banner layer and click OK to unlock the layer. Pick Pen tool and draw around the banner. Then press Ctrl plus Enter key to make a selection. After that, press Ctrl plus J to bring the selection to a new layer. There are some watermarks in the banner. So I am going to erase these watermarks from using Healing Brush tool. Press Alt key and click in the good area. After that, click the watermark areas that you want to remove without pressing any keys. After doing that, pick Paint Bucket tool and choose the color that I show you. You can type this color code to get this color. Add colors to the banner. And pick Text tool to add text. This is the text I am going to type. Choose Harry Potter font. If you don't have this font, just search Harry Potter font download in Google. Adjust the text like this. After that, click Image, Trim. And then choose Transparent Pixels and click OK. Now I am going to save the file. Choose PNG format in the Save as type. Then type file name and click Save. Open After Effects. And get a new composition. Type Banner Animation. Set preset as HDTV 1080 frame rate 25. Drag the banner to After Effects. Drag the banner to Timeline. Pick Puppet Pin tool and add some pins. After that, hold Ctrl key and click Pin and drag. After release, you can see keyframes added in timeline. Let's see what happens. Do the same thing to other pins. That's look pretty good. After that, right-click and pre-compose the layer. Name it as banner. Now I am going to drag the Marauders map PNG image into project. Drag the PNG image to timeline. Adjust the scale of the map. Drag the timeline into 0. Click on the clock icon in position. Drag the timeline 2.07 and change the position of the banner. Again, drag the timeline 5.10 and change the position of the banner. Okay, now our banner animation is finished. So if you like this tutorial, hit like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.